6 Natural Ways to Get Rid of Ticks for Good. Ticks are tiny bugs in the same family as spiders, mites, and scorpions. In addition to being unpleasant pests, they also carry a variety of diseases. These blood-sucking arthropods are often found in garden areas, on pet fur, and in the mane of farm animals like horses and cows, which provides them with the ideal environment to grow and spread. Not all ticks carry infectious diseases, but it's important to remember that if a tick does have a disease, your risk of becoming infected increases the longer it's attached to your body, and transmission can occur anytime it feeds on your blood. In today's article, we'll tell you about 6 natural ways to rid yourself and your pets of ticks. Signs and symptoms of a tick bite. In most cases, tick bites go unnoticed, making it difficult to figure out how long it's been attached to your skin. Whatever the duration, it's important that you treat a tick bite with care, because it poses a risk of infection or transmission of disease. Tick bites are usually found on the legs in adults, whereas children may find them above the waist, at their hairline, or on their scalp. It can be difficult to detect a tick bite because it usually doesn't cause any pain or discomfort. But once the tick begins to feed on your blood, you might experience some of the following symptoms. Itching. Redness around the skin. Burning. Intense and localized pain. Blisters. Difficulty breathing. Numbness. Swelling. Weakness. Vomiting. Fever. Headaches. Joint pain. One of the most dangerous diseases that is known to be transmitted by ticks is Lyme disease. This is an inflammatory disease that causes skin rashes, headaches, fever, and chills. When it reaches the advanced stages, it can cause arthritis, neurological disorders, and heart problems. This is why it's important to pay close attention to a tick bite and learn how to kill or repel these annoying insects. Rosemary and cinnamon. This natural tick repellent is made up of 2 very simple ingredients that are readily available in stores today: rosemary and cinnamon. Ingredients: 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, 7 drops of cinnamon essential oil, 3 drops of cedar essential oil, 2 tablespoons of almond oil. How do you prepare it? Mix all the ingredients together in a small bowl or jar and apply it to the areas you suspect may be vulnerable to tick bites. Rose geranium essential oil. This essential oil is a great tick repellent for your pets. How do you prepare it? Place a drop of rose geranium essential oil between your pet's shoulder blades and at the base of its tail before leaving for a walk. Citrus. Citrus fruits are excellent for repelling ticks, and they also fight other pests. Ingredients: orange peel, lemon peel, water. How do you prepare it? Boil the orange and lemon peels, strain the liquid and apply it to your pet's fur. This remedy isn't suitable for cats because the citrus smell will irritate them. Garlic. When your pet eats garlic, it can act as a strong tick repellent. What should you do? Don't feed your dog raw garlic, it can harm them. Instead, add it to their food or mix it into a soup for them. Another option is to use garlic powder instead of raw garlic. To do this, add 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder per pound of regular dog food. Baking soda. This natural remedy helps remove ticks that have already attached to the body. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 4 ounces of apple cider vinegar, 113 grams, 4 ounces of warm water, 113 milliliters. How do you prepare it? Mix all the ingredients together in a bowl and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray the mixture on your pet's fur or your skin, taking care not to get any of it into the eyes.